Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! Welcome po with our Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Okay? Ours or yours or theirs. Master French possessive adjectives in seconds. It's clear, simple, and very useful every day. Okay? Are you ready to learn? Les déterminants possessifs. Okay? Okay, what are these? Les déterminants possessifs montrent à qui appartient quelque chose et remplacent par le, la ou les. Okay. Possessive adjectives show who owns something. Okay, kung kanino. Ang determiners possessive po ay nagpapakita kung kanino ang isang bagay, kung sino ang may-ari niyan. So last time we used le je. Je is mon, ma, et mes. Pag tu is you, si ton, ta, et tes. Pag il o elle, si son, sa, et ses. And this time, we'll continue with the plural form, okay, ng ating possessive form. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so this time are the plural. Plural po. Madami na to, no? So, nous is our or ours, sa atin. Natin. So, pag nous, we use notre. Notre po sa masculine. And then we have notre pag sa feminine. It's just the same. But it changes in plural form. Nous. N-O-S lang siya. Nous. Okay? Notre, et nous. Nous. Okay? Then we have vous. Pour vous is votre. Pag sa employer, with your employer or with the personage, yung mga matatanda, and we have the respect, o marami sila. Vous is votre, inyo, yours. Votre aussi pour féminin, et vous aussi, vous pour pluriel. VOS, it changes, okay? It's same with nous, okay? Next, we have il. Il is they. They for masculine, and they po femina, pluriel. Madami sila, no? They. Sa si leur or their. Okay? Sa kanila, nila. Leur for femina, et leur pour pluriel. But we don't pronounce the S. Because it's plural, we need to put S. Their or theirs. Okay? Get it? So, nous is notre, not nous. Vous, votre, vous. Il, elle, leur, with an S, but we don't pronounce the S. Okay, we'll discuss that later. Okay, see you later. So we will have them one by one. Okay, nous is ours, our. Okay, ours, atin, amin. Okay, ours. Masculin is nous, is notre. For masculin. For feminin, nous is notre. Same. But plurial, si nous is N-O-S. Nous. Okay. Example. Notre livre. Our book. Notre livre. Aming libro to. Feminin. Notre livre. Our book again. Aming libro. Notre. Mais nos livres are books. Nous. Si ano sa amin yan. Nous. N-O-S lang siya. It's not N-O-U-S. Nous. Livre. Get it? So, notre livre, et nos livres. Example. Notre livre est neuf. Parce que livre, c'est masculin. Ang aming libro ay bago. Our book is new. Feminin. Notre livre est neuf. Still, because it's still the same. Notre. Okay? Our book is new. Neuf. But for pluriel, nos livres sont neufs. Nos livres sont neufs. Why? In singulier, notre livre est neuf. Is because there's only one. Our book is new. But our books are new. Nos livres sont because R is sont, le verb être. And neuf because we need to add S with neuf, bago. Because books are pluriel. So, nos livres sont neuf. It will change with your verb être, and it will change also with the plural form, okay, of the adjective. Adjective po yan, okay? Sont neuf. Okay? So, again, nous, not. Nous, not. Nous, nous. Okay? Get it? Merci po. Next, let's continue with vous. Vous is votre. It's your or yours. Vous, femina, is votre again. It's yours or your or yours. But plural ng vous is vous, V-O-S. It's not V-O-U-S. Okay? Let's have an example. Ce livre est à vous? Oui, c'est votre livre. Ce livre est à vous? Est à vous? Sabi niya, this book is yours? It's your book. It's not mine. C'est à vous. Vous, votre. Next, femina. Ce livre est à vous? C'est votre livre. It's just the same. This book is yours. It's your book. Okay? It's yours. Yours. Vous, parce que vous, sa kanila to, or vous kahit for your employer because we need to use vous, voi, mo. We need to be respect, even it's only one. But for plural, pour vous is vous, ces livres sont à vous, si vous livre. Si vous livre. So, regardez, these books are yours. Your books. Because these books is plural, ces livres, these are yours, à vous. So, it's your books. Your books. But this book, ce livre, is singulier. This book est à vous. This, T-H-E-S, this book is yours, okay? Ito. Okay, ang aklat na ito. But, ang mga aklat na to. So, these books are yours because marami yung mga books. There are a lot of books, okay? Ces livres sont à vous. C'est vos livres. Get it? Donc, vous is votre, vous, votre, et vous, V-O-S. Get it? Merci. And we have the il, they, elle, they femina. Il avec un S, I-L-S, but we don't pronounce les S, but it's they. Elle avec un S, they for the women. Okay? Possessive masculin pour il is leur. Elle is leur, L-E-E-R, but il et elle, leur is L-U-R-S with S na po yan because it's plurial o plural form. Get it? So, we'll have an example. Ce livre est à eux ou à elles. C'est leur livre. Okay? This book belongs to them. À eux ou à elles. To them. Their book is their book. Okay? Get it? Sa kanila ang librong ito ang kanilang libro. It's not yours. It's not for me too, but it's for them. Their livre. Okay? Leur livre. Femina. Elle avec un S ou deux LOS, they. They na femina is also leur or theirs. Okay? Example. Leur voiture, because leur voiture, parce que voiture, c'est féminin. Their car, it's not mine, it's not yours, but it's theirs. Their car, ang kotse nila yun. Leur voiture est nouvelle, because la voiture est féminin, donc nouvelle, c'est féminin. Because nouvelle, c'est féminin, it's not nouveau. Yung kaninang neuf au nouveau, le livre est neuf au nouveau parce que c'est masculin. But nouvelle, c'est féminin. Donc, leur voiture est nouvelle. Their car is new. Bago ang kotse nila. Sa kanila, it's theirs. It's not ours. Okay? Okay. Next. Plural. Il ou elle, ILS, but we don't pronounce the S. Elle with pluriel avec un S ou douce LOS. C'est leur avec un S, LOURS. Ces livres, COS, ces livres sont AE ou AL avec un S, E, parce que c'est E, there are many. And then, leurs livres, c'est leurs livres. Leurs livres sont ici. Leurs livres sont ici. Leurs avec un S, livres avec un S because there are many. Sont because there are many. Verb être because est is singulier. OST is, but sont are in verb être. So their books are here. Nandito ang mga libro nila. Ces livres sont là. Mga books nila yon. C'est à eux. C'est pas à nous. Sa kanila, leur. Okay, get them? So, il, leur, theirs. Elle, leur, theirs. Or their or theirs. Il, elle, or leur, theirs. Okay? Get it pa? I hope it's clear. We need to practice them every day so that we can memorize the possessive po ng ating French. Okay? So, I hope it's clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao. À demain peut-être. Au revoir.